Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how we can install Python and VS Code in Windows 10 and 11. I will only demonstrate the installation of Python and VS Code in Windows 10. The process is very similar for the installation of Python and VS Code in Windows 11. Do let me know if you have any trouble installing Python or VS Code in Windows 11. First, let us download the installer for Python. Let us go to Chrome and then let us search for Python download or something similar. So the first link from python.org should be good for us. So let us download the installation by following the link. And as we read, download the latest version for Windows, download Python 3 13.3. So this is what we are looking for. So let us save the installer, and the file is pretty small, so it is quick. So let's go to the downloads folder and double click to kickstart the installation process. We can click the install now, and we also want to add python.exe to path. Do not forget to select this. You can just check this checkbox to select to add python.exe to path. It is really very important, and we will click install now to kickstart the installation process, the setup process. It will take some time. It is fairly quick, but it will take some time. The setup is successful. Let us search for maybe we can use new tab, search for VS Code download or something similar, and the first link from visualstudio.com. This should be good to download, and as we can see, it provides bunch of options. The option we are interested in is definitely for Windows 10 and 11. Just click it. Okay, so it should provide us option to save it. Let's just save it in downloads folder as before, and this one is also quite a small installation file, so it is quick. So let's go by clicking show in folder to the downloads folder. Okay, so this is downloaded, so let's double click this installer to start the installation process. Okay, so it asks for us to read we can just accept the agreement, which is important, and then destination location can be default, so press A, and this can also be default, so I don't usually do create a start menu folder. And add to the path. Okay, so this is important. Register code as an editor for software file types. This is also good. I think that this is what we want to select, only two of those, and we will proceed with the installation step. Okay, it is now installing. It will take some time, and once we are done with the installation, we'll try to we'll check if Python, both Python and VS Code is working by creating a small sample test file and then running it. It looks like it is almost done. Okay, so it is done. Okay, so let us launch the finish, and it should start the Visual Studio Code. Let's try to open a new folder. You can just follow this Control K, Control O, or I would just go File, open a folder. And we don't have any folder as of now, so I will go to Desktop to create a new folder, which I will name Python codes, or maybe we can also say Python projects, but name is good for now, and select that folder. So it will open the fresh folder without anything because we just created a new folder, and we can now click this new file button to create a new file. I will name it test file, or I can just say som.py. I will name som.py. So .py .py extension is used with Python files. So it will give me a new so I'll just ignore this recommendation for now. Mm, okay, so I just want to demonstrate how we can use this file, sorry, example. So to add two numbers, so I'll just give first number is number, sorry, value 15, and then the second is 7, so that when printed it would yield 22. So I'll just print number 1 plus number 2. Okay, and then come back and save this file. Okay, now let us get to terminal, new terminal. Okay, it will give us Windows PowerShell terminal, and we are in the Python code folder within the desktop. So we are in good location, right location I would say, and let's see if we have Python, and the syntax of running the program, the Python file is command is Python followed by space, and you can provide the sum.py file name within this Python folder, or you need to provide the absolute path of this folder. For now this looks good. Let's hit enter. Okay, see, it gave us 22 as the result, so we know that Python is working. And also VS Code is you to install a few extensions like Python. Okay, so we have the recommendations here, so let me pull this a little bit up. Yeah, so definitely this Python install, I think this is Python certain package. Let me go here. So I want to install this one. Okay, install, and we are also interested in this Python debugger, which helps us to debug the Python program. So we'll demonstrate this later in later videos. For now, I think once we install that, so Pylance Python debugger and Python is installed. And also one very good extension to install is Code Runner or something similar. I think, yeah, this guy here. So it allows us to run the Python files without actually using the terminal and the Python command and file name. So let us try this one. So install. Okay, so it is already installed, so I think this should be sufficient for now. So let's go back to the files, close this guy here and this sum file. So once we install this Code Runner extension, so we can now see this play button here. So we can just simply press this run code button here and see it gives us the output. We change the number maybe 70 and save it. Always save the Python. Okay, so once 70 is added to 15, so 85. So it is very important to save the changes. Okay, I think that is everything for now. Okay, we'll catch up in the next video. Please do let me know if you have any trouble installing Python or VS Code or both. I'll be available for helping you out.